Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to print out a page counter. Our page counter is this. You can see the total pages made is 915. Those are the paper total. So it first printed, because I got some here. You can see some here which are printed before I do. So we want to confirm if what we're saying is true. So look at this. It says 9189. Can you see? 9189. So this one is 91. Please focus. The camera is not. Yeah, 9195. 918 minus 19189, something like that. So 65. That's blank pages. Then one black and white pages. It's 41 pages. Okay, when we come here down, it's gonna say color this, then with borders this. So it shows you all what it did. Black and white pages 6137. Here it says 6135, right? So there are two pages here. Like, okay, how do we do that? You can switch off the machine, right? After switching off the machine, what you do, you press this button with the cancel button once when the machine is off, like for 5 seconds, 7 seconds. Let's wait. So when the machine is on, when you hear that it's on, this will be blinking, right? So you leave it. It's gonna do for you. But also there's another way where you don't need this. Let me show you this. Once it's stable, the printer is stable, it's going to print out. Okay. Good. You can see now what we have. It gave us that, right? So this is how you do it. But also there's another way which I have to show you on the computer. Okay, on your computer, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to control panel. Machine is just in my way. Okay, we go to control panel, right? Then you know how to go into these machines. You go to the same machine you're looking for, then you go to preferences, printer preferences, not properties. So there you're gonna find something called maintenance. Click on maintenance. Then you can click and say nozzle printing. So when you say nozzle, that nozzle is gonna come with what they call okay, say print. It's gonna come with a page count. So it's printing. It did print out so well. You can see 7, here is 6. You get me? Well, that's what you do. But now I see my pages. Okay, let me make a copy here. Maybe because I shifted it. My pages are a little bit bendy. That's it. That's right, guys. This is how you do it on the printer. Also, by just switching off the machine and press the cancel button with the on button for 10 something seconds. You get me? So that's a huge challenge if you don't know how many pages you have. So that's it. So you have to know. I'm also gonna do a record of this. I did go to I did reset. You know when they say ink pad reset, something like that, I did reset that. So I want to know why. Because since you see these machines, they don't give you more since they until when they reach on ink pad stuff. So since they don't give you more, I really don't do what I don't know what I can say, but I won't talk much about this. But let me make a copy. I'm gonna make a copy. I'm gonna get all more pages to make copies here. Sometimes this machine, what it does paper jams, it folds paper, but if you put the guides well, a little bit tight, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do a little bit tight. I'm gonna come. Someone knocked me here. So someone knocked here. He wanted something, which is okay. So put in the thing. Sometimes you watch a video for something else, then you learn something new. So you have to put in the paper nicely. So I'm using one hand, that's the problem. Okay guys, let me put this here so that we can have something better for us, so that we learn something good. I want to arrange the pages nicely, put them okay. Okay, I put them nicely, very well. So I want to do a copy. So sometimes when the guides are this side too much, it leaves when the paper is pulled out, when it's pulled out, it bends like sometimes this side or this side. That causes sometimes paper jams or to fold on the paper like this. You can see like that. So when you put it nicely, then you say, I'm try to make a copy. I wonder what is going on now. The machine is not pulling out the paper. Okay, it went like into a paper jam. Oh, you see, it was trying to fold. This is what I'm trying to talk about. Sometimes it folds papers. Okay, put it that way. Okay, you have to put them nicely then. Let me see, cancel. I'm trying to cancel this. I'm gonna switch it off and switch it on. Okay, it's about to be stable. I think it is. Let me make a copy. It did pull out so well this time. No paper jam. Okay, well, that is it. Okay, something good. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.